If I were building a luxury home tomorrow, there are 3 places you would have a really hard time convincing me to save money. And it's probably not where you think. First, the kitchen. I've seen people spend a fortune on stone countertops and custom cabinetry, and then compromise on the appliances they'll use every single day. If it's your forever home, I'd invest in brands like Sub-Zero, Wolf, Miele, or Gaggenau. 20 years from now, you won't remember what the upgrade cost. You'll remember how well your kitchen functions. Second, anything that lives behind the drywall. Lutron lighting, whole home audio, retractable porch screens, patio heaters, smart home wiring. Even if you're not ready to install every bell and whistle today, have your builder prepare it for you now. Drywall is incredibly cheap until it's finished. Then every wire you forgot becomes a renovation. And finally, I'd spend more time designing the outside than most people do. Everyone focuses on the square footage inside the house, but think about where your family and your guests actually spend their time. Deep porches, an outdoor kitchen, a fireplace, a pool and spa, a TV for football season, and don't sacrifice a flat yard just to save a little grading cost. Your kids, your dogs, and your future self will use that space far more than you think. Luxury isn't about spending more money, it's about spending it in the places you'll appreciate every single day.